Jersey School of Woodwork. We've got an old style TurnCrafter, and unfortunately the belt has broken. So we're gonna have to get inside of there. First thing you wanna do before you mess around with any type of equipment is go ahead and unplug it. All right, so I think first things first, after unplugging it, we've got to take out the set screw here. There's 2 set screws. We're going to take them out.
That's a metric Allen key.
Okay. No surprising, made in China. These are great little lathes. Okay, now that you turn this clockwise. It's a reverse thread, it's not clockwise. There you go. Okay, now I think this is going to be real easy because I think we can just slip the belt right through there and onto the lower pulley. Okay, so I loosened that and I'm going to pull this up in order to get that pulley raised up. This makes it really super easy. We don't have to take the whole shaft out of the lathe. So what we thought was going to be a 20-minute job is going to end up being about a 5-minute job. That's all the way up.
Yep. I think best to lay it down to put the belt on the bottom.
Okay, in order to get access, we're just going to lower it, lay it down, and we're on the middle. I'm on the middle now.
Okay.
All right, and we can tighten up the lever. Boy, that made that real easy.
And here I'm on the middle pulley.
Easy peasy. And we just have to
Tighten it up.
tighten this up and put the handle back on, and I think we're back in business. So we're going counterclockwise because it's a reverse thread. And we're back in business making pens. Hope that helped.
We should probably check the belt tension before we put it on.
Okay, adjust the belt tension, plug it back in, and we're good to go.